Welcome. Hi, this is Carol Mixon with Skill Check. There's breaking news that we want to tell you, and this is about cooking with fire in a storage unit, which I would not recommend. Wait till you see this video.
Hey, it's me, Brian. All right, you guys been wondering how I've been, making food over here in the storage bin? All right, well, there's this little trick out there in prison. All right, use toilet paper. All right, and a steel pot. All right, this here is a ramen soup without the seasoning pack, just the noodles. 1 can of diced green chilies. 1 can of these really cool Southgate, chili beans without meat. All right, and some taco seasoning mix. All right. Some water. All right. And, my stove here is my two ceramic, storage jars right there. All right. And that's an unopened can of salsa right there. Just let it go till till it's all burned out. And what you do is you roll it around your hand and you make it into like a donut. And then you light the inside on fire first. You light it from the inside, and just sit down and it's gonna burn. See it? It's actually working. See, you guys think I'm crazy. Yeah, I'm crazy like a fox. Yeah, just me, Brian. Looks like dinner's almost ready. Look at that. Yeah, discovery of the day. Yeah, we're kicking some ass now. Okay. There's the kitchen sink right there. You know what I'm saying? The closet. All right. The garage is right here in this corner. All right, this is it's a water storage bin. But there's this is the living room where the rug is over there. All right. This is the front porch. All right. The DBX. All right. I'm gonna make a video about this thing here pretty soon. It's pretty badass shit. All right, let's zoom back in though. See how we're doing. Look at that. It's boiling away. You guys thought I was crazy. Thank you.
Okay. Well, that's very interesting, isn't it? I find it ridiculous that we have to actually deal with that. I wanted to also show you several of the responses that he had on to this video. What happened to your hot plate? So that's some guy that knows him, right? Still got it, just though to give you guys an idea of how to cook when the options of cooking are limited. Yes, because you're not supposed to be cooking in self-storage. Oh yes, and the fire, that's also something we don't like to have. You know what I felt was so interesting about that is the fact that he had a fire going with toilet paper that if a breeze came through, it could have caught his stuff on fire in his space, which pretty easily. And then another guy asked him, how much do those rent for? Well, probably $550 for him is what I would be saying. And then the guy answers back $46 a month. So in the first months, they got the 68. Amazing to me. And another person says, you sleep in there, brother? Then I'm trying to figure out a place where I can live. So for a while. And then he says, no, it's against the law. Oh, geez, I guess cooking and having that open fire in there wasn't bad enough. So you'll get arrested in here. You want to live out of storage. Keep your stuff dry and safe from the thieves. Go in there every day and do what you need to do. Change your clothes, drop off stuff, pick up stuff, store crap metal cans. As long as you pay the storage bill, they won't say much to you, but be careful because sometimes you get an a-hole employee that thinks he or she is protecting the world from people like us, and that would be me because I am that kind of person that protects the storage properties and the other 500 or 600 people that also have their stuff stored there. So be on the lookout. And I want to tell you, there's some things that we can do and we can watch for. Don't allow people to stay overnight on the storage property. It's not a place where they're supposed to be living. And it's, it's prohibited in our agreement. So, and overlock the space when the problematic customer leaves. When they leave, you put an overlock on it. And then when they come back, they've got to come get you and find you. And then you're going to unlock it for them. And to me, that means that we're also going to be limiting their gate access hours to only office hours. Yes, it's inconvenient, and that's the point. If they're misusing the rules and regulations of the store, you can certainly change those and amend those because they're problematic. And it's problematic for your other customers too, not just, you as the manager, but it puts the other people's property at risk. So increase their rental rate. That's another thing you can do, because you have to do all these other things to accommodate the fact that they're trying to live out of the space or eat out of the space or sort of hang out in the space. This is for what we call dead storage. It's not, I mean, that's kind of a term in some leases, but it's nothing that it's going to be. This is property. It's nothing else. We're not storing them. We're not storing place that they can just hang out in. That's not what this is for. And I think I'm preaching to the choir here, right? You all would probably agree with me on that. But it is taking more time and effort so you can increase their rent. So if you have any other ideas, please don't forget to subscribe for more information or more of these webinars, and just subscribe down below. And again, this is Carol from Skill Check. You can reach me at 1-800-374-7545. Want more topics? Let me know what you like, or if you found something you'd like me to do a webinar on, I will do so. Thanks a lot and happy renting.